A computer is a smart machine that helps us do lots of things. It can think super fast, way faster than humans, speedy emoji, light bulb emoji. But guess what? A computer can only work when we tell it what to do. Computers come in many shapes and sizes. There are big computers, tiny computers, laptops, tablets, and even smartphones are computers too. We talk to computers using things like keyboards, mice, and touchscreens. When you tap, click, or type something, the computer listens and follows your instructions. Inside every computer is a tiny, powerful part called the processor. It's like the computer's brain emoji, sparkles emoji. It helps the computer think and solve problems. And computers have memory, too. Memory is where they store information, like photos, videos, and games, so they can remember things even when they're turned off. Computers are amazing tools, but it's important to use them safely. Remember to take breaks, that comfortably, ask a grown-up for help online, and treat others kindly on the internet. So now you know, a computer is a super helpful machine that works with you. What will you create with a computer today?